Grayson is busy doing one of his favorite things. Putting paper in the boot. Putting paper in the boot is fun, huh, Grayson? Hi, Gray. And then putting paper from one boot to the other. Get some more paper, Gray. So busy. Busy boy. Gotta put it just right, huh, Gray? Good job, kiddo. See your work you did. Oh, very nice, Grayson. Very nice. Good job.